everybody, and welcome to another edition of Megazone Music's DIY section. This section will actually tell you a really simple step. This will probably be one of my shortest videos of how I can actually get a candle into my new candle holder that I got at Crate & Barrel, which was really expensive. I had a candle in here before, that's why it looks a little murky. But basically, I've always wanted to have like a nice glass candle holder, and I got this one that was really expensive at Crate & Barrel, which they have a lot of expensive stuff. And I am a nut of the Bath & Body Works candles. They had a sale and I bought a whole bunch of them. Now, it would be really corny to try to do that. I can't even fit that in there. So one of the things that I've actually have done is I found a way of getting all of the wax candle out of it and completely utilizing the whole thing. A bit wondering like how? See, I got that in there, and I want to take this whole thing out so that I can use this. You know how you can buy the candles that basically don't have any of the glass or anything in it? Well, that's essentially what I'm doing here. And when I'm done with this, you can use these glasses for just about anything. I mean, since they hold candles, I don't know if they're Pyrex heat resistant. Well, they have to if you've got like a actual flame on top of there. And I personally have used my extra candles for, if my thing will come on, my spice rack is really messed up here, but I use it for my spices. And here's what I have I'll hold my pepper in here, and I have my I have my sea salt, and just me being funny. It's just a little joke. It's just my sea salt. Okay, so how do you do it? How do I get this out of here in one shot without going through the hassle of melting the wax all the way down to the bottom and having to worry about everything like that? Simple. You get the candle, you put it in the freezer, and you leave it overnight. I had this one because this is the one that I want to do now. See? And give me 1 second. I'm going to mount this so that you can see this. This is probably as good as it's going to get. So I've got my candle here. I put it in the freezer, and basically I turn it upside down and I kind of warm it up just slightly. Give it a couple of smacks, and voila! Now I have an extra glass that I can use, and I basically have taken all this out in just one shot, and now I can put it in my little candle holder and I am good to go. And if you like this, I would love it if you can like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Megazone Music. If you can just see how I have this thing mounted on here, it's ridiculous. So I've got this in the freezer, like so. I'm gonna have to pick it up, and you can, as you can tell, see some of the wax had started to crack. And basically I had given the bottom a good whack. Let's see if I can put this up here like this, like that, and that probably wasn't a good idea.